In a bright green meadow lived Tiko, a tiny sparrow with shiny feathers and a brave little heart. When the birds built nests, Tiko said, "I don't need help. I can do it all by myself." Tiko tried and tried, but the twigs kept falling. He grew tired and frustrated. By evening, the other sparrows had cozy nests. Tiko only had a messy pile of sticks. An alder sparrow said kindly, "Tiko, teamwork makes things easier. Why don't you join us tomorrow?" The next day, Tiko worked with the others. He carried small twigs while his friends arranged them. Soon, Tiko's nest was ready, strong, cozy, and beautiful. Tiko chirped happily. "Together, we made it perfect." Teamwork makes everything easier.